Good afternoon, everybody. It is the class number 19, which is the problem class, electrostatic charge problem. Then, I have already given the task to you, the author of Esladra. The question number 1, the dimension of epsilon 0. We have already known f is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r square, or epsilon 0 is equal to 1 by 4 pi f q1 q2 by r square. So it is the dimensionless. The Coulomb square is the Coulomb square by Newton into meter square. Coulomb square a1 q1 2 by Newton in the m1 l1 t minus 2. So meter square is the L2. So you can find out the dimension of E. So next question number 2. Question number 2. The calculate Coulomb force between two alpha particles. Alpha particles. This means two alpha particles. Alpha particle charge of alpha particle. U charge of alpha. Q is equal to any number of electrons are alpha particle 2 into E 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 Q is equal to E, and F is equal to 9 into 10 to the 9 2 Coulomb 2 into 10 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 square by distance between two alpha particle is 3 point given 3.2 into 10 to the minus 15 meter square. Yes or no? So then after question number 3. Question number 3. Distance between two protons are find out, but force between two protons Q. So Q1 Q2. The Q1 and Q is the charge of proton 1. Q is the charge of proton 2. That means two protons, the charge is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 Coulomb. But distance, you have to find out the distance between two protons. But force is according to question, force is equal to weight of the one proton. F is equal to weight of the one proton. That means Fp is equal to mg. M means mass of the proton, 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31. Sorry. Mass of the proton is what? Mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the minus 27 kg into 9.8. So mg. F is equal to what? F is beta q1 q2 by r square. That means 1.6 into 10 to the minus 27 minus 9.8. 9 into 10 to the 9 into 2 proton same. That means 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 square by r square is equal to 1.67 into 10 to the minus 27 into 9.8. Means r is equal to find out. So, yes or no? That is the question number 3. Similarly, question number 4 is similar to 3. Question number 3. Yes or no? So then we will discuss question number 5. Yes or no? Question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is what? Suppose there are a pitch ball A. Here the mass, it has mass, it has also weight due to gravity. So mg is what? Mg mass of pitch ball A is given 9 into 10 to the power minus 5 into g. Value of g is 9.8. It's Newton. Due to weight, this try to downward position. This one. But pitch ball B pitch ball B. Pitch ball B here. It is the distance from A. Distance from A. The 2 centimeter is equal to 2 into 10 to the minus 2 meter. Yes or no? The question is asked. What is the magnitude and sign of the charge of pitch ball B when pitch ball A is stationary? Stationary means पिच बॉल ए यहाँ पे स्थिर होता है, रेस्ट होता है, बिकॉज वेट इज डाउनवर्ड पोजीशन, बट whenever weight is downward position, this ball try to move downward position, but according to question it is remain stationary. That means weight is this one, it is force act on this pitch ball A this direction, because this direction means the electrostatic force due to this charge. That means line joining of pitch ball A and pitch ball B, the force between two charges is the this direction, because pitch ball A is the charge, it has pitch ball A charge Q is given, Q is what, 5 microcoulomb or 5 into 10 to the minus 6 coulomb. It is the positive charge. It is the positive charge. Pitch ball A is positive charge, but weight is downward. But if according to question, pitch ball A is stationary. That means weight is this one, but electrostatic force is this one. Must be this one, because pitch ball is stationary. So that's why this direction, force on pitch ball A is this direction. That means attractive. Attractive means Q is positive, B is must be negative. So pitch ball B must negative, but must negative. So the value of charge, that means when the weight is this one, force is this one. That means it is the equal mg is equal to, according to question, F is equal to mg. Beta QA QB. QA means charge of pitch ball A, QB means charge of pitch ball B. So beta QA QB R square is equal to mg. Mg means mg. That means P is equal to 9 into 10 to the 9. QA is given 5 into 10 to the minus 6 into QB. You have to find out R square. R is 2 into 10 to the minus 2 meter square is equal to m. mg means 9 into 10 to the power 5 into 9.8. So you have to find out QB. Yes. QB. Yes or no? Then after, this is the question number 5. Then after, question number 6. Question number 6, given data, given two identical metal sphere, having equal and similar charge, repel each other. The force is 103 Newton. But distance between two similar charges is equal to 10 centimeter is converted to meter, 10 to the minus 2 meter. For dielectric constant, that means is the SI unit. SI unit means dielectric constant means relative permeability. Epsilon R is equal to 5. So you have to find out Q. Q is equal to 5. Charge of each sphere. Charge of Q is the charge of each sphere. So F implies that F is equal to beta. Directly you can write 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon R. That means it is not air medium. This is the dielectric constant medium. That say here the between two charges, the one medium is present. That medium is the value of dielectric constant, that is the value is 5. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into epsilon r q into q. Same charge with identical sphere, that means charge of each sphere is constant, remain equal. That means r square. So 103, that is the value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Epsilon value is 5 into q square. R means 10 to the power minus 1. 10 to the power minus 1 meter. 10 to the minus 1 square. So find out q is equal to gas. Listen. Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. The distance between electron and proton are given, which is the distance between electron and proton is 5. Electron proton is 5.3 into 10 to the power minus 11 meter. So you have to calculate the electrostatic force between electron and proton divided by gravitational force. That means ratio of electrostatic force to the gravitational force. You have already discussed. What is the value? You have already discussed. What is the value is what? 2.2 into 10 to the power 39. 2.2 into 10 to the power 39. You have already discussed in your note, in your theory. The ratio of comparison or relation between it is the problem is discussed from the relation between electrostatic force and gravitational force. In your note you have already studied the ratio of electrostatic force to the gravitational force. Listen, so you can solve from this theory. This is the easy question. That is not difficult. This one you can try. This one. Then question number 8. Question number 8. Suppose two metallic identical sphere, with the Q1 charge, that is the Q2 charge, unequal charges, but opposite charges. One is the Q1, one is the positive Q1, one is the negative Q1. Listen. So distance is what? 0.90 meter. Listen. So it is the distance between two charges is what? 0.9 meter. So according to question, whenever contact, after contact, during contact, is the Q1 minus Q2, the total charge, so minus Q1 plus Q1 minus Q. Total charge is Q1 minus Q2. Total charge is Q1 minus Q2. After separation, charge is divided two times. Charge is divided into one is Q1 minus Q2 by 2, another is Q1 minus Q2 by 2. Because sum of two charges is Q1 minus Q2. Suppose one body is here, another body is here. It is the 5 coulomb, it is the 2 coulomb. Whenever contact two bodies, then total charge is what? 5 plus 2, 7. Whenever separation between two charges, then charge is divided. Because whenever 5 coulomb, 2 coulomb charge contact, then 5 coulomb charge flow to the 2 coulomb charge because it is the high amount of charge with the low amount of charge. Due to high amount, potential is greater. Potential you will study in potential class. Yes or no? But now you have to remember the which body is the amount of charge is greater, then it has potential is greater. So the 5 coulomb charge is heavy potential, 2 coulomb charge is low potential. So charge is flowing high potential to low potential. Up to flowing whenever two charges is equal, whenever two charges is equal value of charge, then up to charge is flowing. Yes or no? Equal whenever up to charge is flowing from higher potential to low potential or higher charge to low potential up to becoming of same equal of charge. 5 to whenever this body is 3.5 coulomb, this body is 3.5 coulomb. The equal charge, that means equal potential, charge is not flow. Yes or no? चार्ज अब तक जब तक चार्ज फ्लो होगा तब तक नहीं होगा कि इक्वल चार्ज, जब तक इक्वल चार्ज हो जाएगा तब तक चार्ज फ्लो नहीं होगा. जब तक चार्ज वेरी होगा, ग्रेटर हेवियर और स्मॉलर होगा तब तक चार्ज फ्लो होगा. ये सुन. सो द टू बॉडीज, P plus Q1 minus Q1, total two bodies is the after separation. One body is Q1 minus Q2 by 2, another is Q1 minus Q1. So you have to calculate here two bodies. Suppose Q1 minus Q2 by Q3 is the Q3. Suppose Q1 minus Q2 by 2 is Q3. Similarly, Q1 minus Q2 by Q2 is, that means it is the Q3, that is the Q3. But similar charge, same polarity, it is the, which nature is what? Repulsive nature. Repulsive nature. Repulsive nature. Distance is distance is what? 0.9. Then after separation, distance is similar distance. That means it is the distance is 0.90 meter. The force is given. Force is what? 0.025 meter. The value of question asks the value of final charges of two bodies after separation. Listen. What question is answer is what? We know F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power. Now beta is equal to beta into Q3 into Q3 by R square. So F is what? 0.025 into beta into 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q3 square by R 0.9 square. You have to find this value. The question only, a question asks you, you have to find out or you have to result the value of Q. Yes or no? Not Q1 Q2. Not Q1 Q2. You have to find out value of Q. Yes or no? This is the question number 8. Then after question number 9. My dear students, you have to remember जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है वो एसएल एरोरा प्रैक्टिस 2. Listen no, practice 2. So question number 9. Here are two small brass spheres having positive charge of 1.7, one brass charge, one brass sphere charge 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Second brass sphere similar second brush sphere charge equal to 3 minus 3.0 into 10 to the minus 19. This one. So question is what? Find the force between when they are separated by distance of 20 centimeter. That means R is equal to so distance is given. Distance is what? R is given. So 20 centimeter is equal to 20 to 10 to the minus 2 meter. So whenever by contact, find the force between. Question is asked. Find the force between them. They are separated by a distance of 20 centimeter. After separation, after separation. So after separation, during contact, this is the 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8. This is the minus, this is the positive charge. Question is asked. This is the question is data is given. This is the positive charge. This is the negative charge. 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Yes or no? So after during contact, after separation. During contact, total charge is what? Total charge is what? Total charge (1.7 into 10 to the minus 19 plus minus 3.0 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. So here 10 to the 8, here 10 to the minus 9. Yes or no? So in this case 1.7 into 10 to the power minus 8 minus 0.3 into 10 to the power minus 8 can be written. So 1.7 minus 0.3 what? 1.4 into 10 to the minus 18 coulomb. Yes or no? Here coulomb. Yes or no? Cannot visible cannot it's not visible. So total charge is equal to total charge 1.7 into 10 to the minus 8 plus minus 3.0 into 10 to the minus 90. So 1.7 into 10 to the minus 8 minus 3 minus 0.3 into 10 to the minus 90. So 1.4 into 10 to the minus 9. Yes or no? Yes or no? After separation. After separation. Charge of this body is what? Charge of this brush sphere is what? Total charge 1.4 in 10 to the minus 19. Charge of this sphere is 0.7 because this charge is the total charge. One sphere is the having charge is what? Total charge divided by 2, because during contact total charge is R. Total charge is this charge plus this charge. After separation the charge is divided. Listen. So 0.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This charge also 0.7 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. But after during contact this charge is added. After separation charge is divided, and also this charge is the same charge but similar charge also. This after separation this charge is having similar charge and similar polarity. So that's why after separation this force act on this the repulsive nature. Yes or no? This repulsive force is what? This repulsive force is F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 0.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 square divided by distance is what? Distance is 20 cm. 20 cm. Given distance is 20 cm is equal to 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 20 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. So it is, you can find out. Yes or no? So then another question. Next, in this similar question, another sub question is asked. The force between them when two charges immersed in oil of dielectric constant is 3. It means that oil ER is equal to dielectric constant. That means relative permeability between two charges is epsilon R is equal to what? 3. So force is what? Force is F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 epsilon R 0.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 square divided by 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 square. So F is implied that F is equal to, it is the value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 by 3 0.7 into 10 to the power minus 19 square 3 into 10 to the minus 2 square. Yes or no? This is the. So now SLR question is finished. Second part practice 2. Then now SLR practice 1. You have just my mistake. I have discussed SLR practice 2, but now I will discuss SLR practice 1. So first you have already quantization of charge formula. Q is equal to Ne, then Q is equal to what? The charge carried by 12.5 into 10 to the 8 electrons. That means N is the 12.5 into 10 to the 8 electrons. That means Q is equal to Ne. N is the 12.5 into 10 to the 8 into envelope is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19. Yes or no? Question number similarly. Question number things same. Question number same. Yes or no? 3. Question number same. Question number 2 is equivalent to 1. Question number 1. So question number 3. The question, calculate the charge on an alpha particle. Given charge is proton, where proton value is 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Alpha particle is having 2 protons. That means Q is equal to 2p. NP. N is equal to alpha particle. Alpha particle means alpha particle N is equal to 2. Alpha particle N is equal to 2. That means 2p. 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Yes or no? Then question number 4. The charge on big ferrum 2656. Charge of this material. That means Q is equal to Ne. N number of electron is what? 26. 26 into 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. That means, yes or no? Then after question number 5. Question number 5. Determine the total charge on 75 kg of electrons. That means 1 electron is having 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31 kg is equal to 1 electron. 1 electron. That means 1 kg is equal to 1 by 9.1 into 10 to the minus 3 minus 31 number of electrons. 1 kg. Given 75 kg of electrons, 75 kg of electrons. 75 kg, that means 75 by 9.1 into 10 to the minus 31 number of electrons. That the total number of electrons n is what? N is equal to this. That means total number of electrons given total charge. That means n is equal to this. That means q is equal to what? Q is equal to Ne. Q is equal to Ne. N is this into this. N to 1.6 into 10 to the minus 19 coulomb. Yes or no? This is the question number 5. Question number 6. So how many megacoulomb of positive or negative charge are present in 2 mole of neutral atom? And 1 mole of H2O is equal to 6.023 in 10 to the power 23 number of atom. 2 mole 2 into 0.06.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. One number is atoms is equal to 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. One atom 2 electrons into 2 number of electrons. So charge is what? Charge is number of positive total charge कहते हैं. Total charge NP or NE? NE. Suppose NE. NE is the what? Is the number of N is this. The into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. This one no. This is the question number 6. Question number 7. Calculate number of electrons present in 100 gram of